Hey there, it's Adele from Crow with the Flow, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sew on these reptile eyes. The video is going to show you how to maintain this 3D type of look with the eyelid. It's not going to show you exactly how to create the eyes. I have a pattern for that. You can buy it on my website. I've linked it down below. This video also won't give you the details of how to make this croc. Once again, there is a pattern for that, which I've also linked down below. But otherwise, let's get started. All right, let's sew these crocodile eyes on. Firstly, we're going to pin the eyes in place exactly where you want them. Once you're happy with the positioning, you sew into the head directly before coming up and working into the first eye stitch. You work into that stitch, turn the tapestry needle around and work into the next eye stitch before you work back into the head. So let me show you that process again. In terms of the stitch order, we're going eye, head. So we sew into the eye stitch, and then into the head. The next part of sewing the eyes on is to make sure that the eyelid section remains kind of free. So where you did those half double slip stitches, there should be a back loop that has remained unstitched, and that's what we're going to use to sew the eye onto the head. You can see here I'm working through those orange back loops and just sewing those pieces to the head. And you can just use a regular blanket stitch through that section. When you get to the end of that segment with the back loops, go back to using your ladder stitch. Through the sewing process, the eyelid might have gotten a little out of shape, so just press it down so that it's kind of coming down over the eye. And that's it. Crocodile eyes on. Hopefully that gives you some instruction about how to sew on your reptile eyes. I can't wait to see the sorts of creations you add these eyes to, because I feel like it could suit a dragon, a snake, a lizard, even something like a bird of prey, an eagle, something like that. I can't wait to see. So don't forget to tag me in the creations that you add your reptile eye to. Thanks for joining me.